How to log out of TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the TD Auto Finance app on your device and log in using your registered username and password to access your account dashboard. Next, tap on the menu icon with three horizontal lines located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will see different options available in the menu. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find the logout button. Then tap on the logout button and the confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to log out. Finally, confirm your choice and you will be successfully logged out of the TD Auto Finance app, ensuring your account remains safe and secure. Now you know how to log out of TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.